Hi kids!
Walk down to this job site that we saw nearby. Maybe we might find some big excavators. What kind of construction trucks do you want to find there?
So Baba build my bike.
Are you gonna ask him if he can drive his excavator?
No. And look at this!
Big van trailer, an excavator, a front loader. What kind of machine is this? Go on the, look at this boom. That is excavator boom?
No bucket on it.
Uh-oh. Wow, front loader. Whoa, what is this thing right here?
Yeah, but how am I going to get inside?
What do you think he carries in his tank?
Let's go put on my baby.
Hey Logan, what you got there? What is that?
The excavator with on the trailer on the side.
Awesome.
Look at that window.
What are we gonna do with this excavator?
Go outside with something bigger wheels.
So Logan, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna walk down to this job site that we saw nearby. Maybe we might find some big excavators and some other machines, some other construction trucks, right?
Right. I want to bring my bike, Daddy.
You want to bring your bike?
Now so I can show Baba my bike.
Okay.
So Baba build my bike.
You gonna ask him if he can drive his excavator?
No, a new action, Daddy.
Okay.
I can drive it.
Okay, if he's there, we'll go ask him. All right, get on your bike. Trike. Baby! What's that over there? Whoa! Big van trailer, an excavator, a front loader. Look at these guys, Logan. Alright, hey, let's take you out of this so you can walk around. Check them out. Unbuckle.
This is he.
Yeah, they're here.
I'm gonna go inside. Look at this.
What is it? What is this thing? I think it's a giant tank of some sort. Maybe a water tank. It's just sitting on this trailer. What kind of machine is this? I don't know, maybe he went home from work already. Maybe he's done for the day. His gate is closed, yeah?
It's locked?
I think it's locked. But we can look in at those trucks and we can take a look around these guys. Right? Look at his tracks. Now go show us around, Logan.
There is something little bit dirty.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Whoa, look at this track, Logan. It's as big as you. The track is as big as you. Oh, you're inside of his tracks. Wow. Huh?
Daddy, what's inside?
It's in the weeds, yeah? Alright, you can do it. Just keep going through the weeds.
I'm going to get to the other side.
I don't know. Maybe you have to go under. Look at this boom. Is that his excavator boom? It's going right over us.
Why?
Maybe we can sneak through that little tiny hole.
That's how I can get out.
And just go. Daddy's coming right behind you. Weeds is taller than Logan.
Uh-oh. There's no bucket on it.
Uh-oh, there's no bucket on this excavator. What happened to it? Where's this bucket? You see any buckets around here, Logan? Where's the buckets? Look at this bucket I was just standing in.
You were standing?
I was standing in it. Now you're standing in it. Grammie. You're hiding from Grammie in a bucket?
Oh,
That's a huge bucket there. The danger bucket. Don't ever ride in a bucket. It's too dangerous, remember? Wow, front loader. Whoa, what is this thing right here? Bulldozer. Oh, look at his tracks. They're huge. Mm-hmm. You want to go up on him?
Yeah.
Up. There you go. Now you taller than his tracks?
Yeah, but how am I going to get inside?
How about we go check out the other excavator first, and then you can climb up and go sit in the seat of this one, okay?
Oh, wait, they're going up. Up, 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 up. Up.
Oh, what's this big thing in the back? What's this big thing in the back called?
Hold on. They hold this, Daddy. Now.
Oh, is the ripper gonna rip that thing? Whoa! It ripped it! Wow. Hey, what happened to this middle ripper? Look. This one's gone. There's nothing here. Maybe it's just two. That blade and that blade on this ripper.
I want to go inside the actual blade.
Look at these guys. It's another excavator, yeah? Look at that thing, Logan. What's that guy right there? What's that big guy?
What is it, Daddy?
That's a big tank truck, I think. What do you think he carries in his tank?
I don't know.
Maybe water?
I think so, Daddy.
This one looks like it's a big band trailer. A tractor trailer.
Can you put the levers up?
Oh, got some levers there.
But I want to put the levers up.
Yeah, let's not play with those levers.
Why?
Because we don't want to break anything. You want to go under there, look at the excavator?
Inside the actuator.
Can we go inside this one? You want to go in the bulldozer?
Yeah. Driving to bring me up so I can go inside.
Hang on.
Okay.
Grammie.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Look at this blade, Logan. Let's go check out this bulldozer blade.
So, that's so neat.
Look at how giant it is. Look, it's twice as big as Logan. That's a big blade. I don't know, maybe these are old trucks. Maybe they're broken. Or maybe they need to be fixed.
Maybe they need to be fixed.
The front loader? You wanna try out the front loader?
I want to go in to get inside the front.
You wanna go in the front loader? Okay, over here.
Hey, Logan.
You the driver now?
I just saw it.
Alright, let me climb down again. Daddy wants to go inside the excavator.
Daddy, I want to go inside the excavator.
Don't know. Let me see. Is this thing gonna open? Alright, but how about if I put you up here? I can put you up here on the track, but not inside, okay?
Why? Why not in the inside? The happiest is a time, big time truck. I'm happy as a time truck day.
You're happy as to go in the tank truck?
Yeah.
Not the excavator?
No, it's a time, big, giant time truck.
Alright, tank truck's behind this gate, so we're not gonna go in there.
How he get inside the gate?
I don't know, somebody drove him there, I think.
Maybe Bob is doing.
Alright, so.
No! Mommy walking, Daddy.
Yeah. Pretty mommy! What kind of trucks did you see? Well, what did we do? What did we do? We went inside. And a front loader too.
A big time truck.
Oh! There was a big one behind the fence. To the other side of the fence. But we could look at it through the fence, yeah? Was that an awesome trip to the job site?
That's how I get over.
Maybe you can practice jumping, and once you can jump really, really high, you can just jump over it. Want to practice jumping?
See you next time. You ready, Daddy?
I am. Are you ready? Oh, the birds is fighting?
That was fighting on Some were doing that.
How?
Like this. Like that.
Those birds?
Yeah. Fight.
It's fighting each other? Why were they fighting? Why were they fighting?
I think they were mean.
It was mean? Were they ganging up on one bird? Oh, look, I see them. See them? They're all trying to gang up on the one bird, I think. Maybe we should go help that bird.
But them can fly.
Oh yeah, that's right. Forgot.
Take them down.
Go ahead. Go. Woohoo!
That was a cool jump.
That was a cool jump.
And why wet?
Oh, because the sprinklers came on. Grammy and Papa have sprinklers. You want to sit up here on the wall?
Oh no, I'm trying.
Come over here. Come here. Next to
One
me.
just said key. One can reach the ground, one is sitting on the wall.
Oh, because I'm taller than you. Well, you're going to be big one day. Probably bigger than me, so.
I can test down my motion excavators.
Show the kids how your excavator works.
Like that.
Ah.
It goes like this.
Dig dirt, dig dirt.
Like that.
Nice.
Look at that go. Are you going to walk
We are.
this way?
Yes.
I'm already going.
All right, bye-bye. See you in the morning.
I am.
So funny.
Let's study
Whoa!
what? I did that.
There he is. He's fast. He's a wind-up. Yeah?
Hi.
Hi.
What did you do today?
Just sitting here.
What did you do today, Daddy?
It's not Daddy, it's a little man.
Hi.
Oh, hi, excavator.
What did you do today?
Just walking on this wall here.
No, fine.
I am gonna catch you. Alright, come back over here, come back over here. I'm just joking you. Come.
Bye.
The little man got you.
No, Dad.
Oh,
Hi.
Oh, hi, Mr. Excavator.
Now, you want me on 2 wheels in the front?
Whoa, only on 2 wheels in the front. Very cool.
1, 2 back wheels.
So what you gonna do when we get there?
Baba build a my bike.
You gonna ask him if he can drive his excavator?
Yeah, and you ask him, Daddy.
Okay.
I can drive it.
Okay, if he's there, we'll go ask him.
When he's not there, I can.
Alright, get on your bike. Trike.
The bike.
Good job.
Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Okay. Hi, kids.
Alright, Mr. Tricks. Show us what you got. Slow down. You trust Daddy?
That is a hardwood floor.
That's a what? Hardwood floor, yeah. Hey, Mr. Flippers, where you headed?